Hey, my name's Isaiah Richter, founder of Richter Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how I built myself an entire email categorization system for my own business and how it's saving me about 2 hours, if not more, per week. And I've actually built this system for other clients and been able to save them about 5 or 6 hours per week with a little bit more automation in their setup. So right now I'm going to walk you through a little bit of how it works. So in this make automation, I have emails that are being watched for. So anytime a new email comes in, it's going to run through here and scan it. And then this AI that I have is going to categorize it based on certain criteria that I've given it. And it's going to assign to one of 6 categories that I have here, so that when I go to my inbox, I can see that it's actually assigned a label each time. And then what I can do is I can actually send that email into one of the labels here into that inbox if I choose to do that. And so I'm going to run through an example here. And so what I can do here is I can send myself an example email. Let's say someone's emailing me about a new website chatbot or something that they want. They're going to say, "Hey Isaiah, regarding the website chatbot you're building for me, when do you think it'll be complete? Can we also set up a call to go over it? And please send me the bill when you have a moment." And so I've categorized my AI properly so that it knows when it's asking to set up a call to go over it, it's not going to go to my meetings and meeting links category. It's also not going to go to invoices and receipts when somebody asks to send me the bill. So I prompted it specifically to know which emails go where and that it follows that each time. So I'm going to go ahead and send this email to myself here. So I've sent it. You see the email comes in. Normally I have this running on a 15-minute schedule, but I'm actually going to run it right now manually. We can see that the email comes in. It's categorized based on the criteria and filters all the way down to client work here. And if I go back here, I'm just going to refresh. And I can see it's assigned client work purple, so that when I come into my emails, when it's time to check them, I can come in and see, okay, purple client work, that's something that's really important and that I want to get done first. I can just look right away and see that and then go ahead and click on it and get the stuff done that they want. And so this system has been great for me to know what's important in my email and what's not. What can I kind of check in like right away, or maybe check on Saturday when I have a free moment to see if someone's selling me something that's really not as important. And so a pain point that I actually had, which led me to build this system, was anytime that I sign up to join a call for someone, if they were signing up to join mine, is they get a meeting link. Let's say it didn't go to their phone number, it went right to their email. Maybe they booked it a week or two ago, but now they're actually ready for the meeting. They're about to join, but it's like, I can't find it. Where's that link? So now I assign meetings and meeting links to everything like that. So if I'm going to join someone's call, I know it's either here or it can send it actually based on my categorization here. If it's a meeting and meeting link, I'm going to move the email into this label here so that I can see in this category here, it's probably within 1 to 3 spots, and I can see exactly where the link is and join that meeting on time. The other great part about that is if I want to assign meetings and meeting links to my actual meetings inbox here, then it frees up a bunch of space in my inbox, which ideally is my goal. I want this number to be as low as possible and for this to be as uncomplicated as possible so that when I come into my emails, I can just see the most important stuff, and the lower hanging fruit stuff is assigned to other inboxes or categorized so that I know I can kind of check it later when I have more free time. And so let's say that I'm a business that's getting tons of questions through my inbox. Maybe it's stuff that people can find on my website already, but they're still emailing me to ask about. Hey, how much does this cost? What kind of services do you offer? Stuff that as the business owner, it's not really worth my time if they can find that low-hanging fruit answer somewhere else, like on my website. And so what I can do is I can actually create a completion, use this prompt here, and say if someone's emailing me about what services I offer, I'm going to send them back an email right away that's answering them. That way they do get their question answered, strong customer service, but it also doesn't take a lot of time from me to answer a question like that because I need to be focusing as a business owner on money-making activities. And so there's a lot of different things that you can add in this system to make it unique to yourself and to your business to make sure you're automating your emails and getting that inbox as free as possible and saving more of your time. And so if you think this is something that could be valuable to you and help you in your business, saving you hours and hours each week, or responding to customer questions and things like that, please let me know. I'd love to help you build your own and get it set up for you. Thanks.